Gukwani ya ndonsi ya sobere somonchu muligereria Ndizi TV chinga kichiningo kwaligania semesa ya mangana maya nyari gukomanya gati ya retwabere to kwaligania kurwasima mbe yarenge ntambe gweka chinse chigabano chebona margoba nokagana kwanda bunalitu kulia oneligi yalire na boigonenga kende to kwaligania mange hayo abali kibaitwabere bagosangire koro chingongo chonsi ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii ritukaliga ya ijuma bono monchu muligereria chitariki kyanda mutenye 12 omwaka wabwe bubere na merongebere nebere na mange habereka okorekana aseri tukeliga nyirabuno litokubwaterana nehere goetera somuno wimanyererio igakoro kwa Joshua Ahuta ndaraji kugosansamuranira aseri bona gukumanyibuna abereka wateka litanganike gimatika cyane mangana ywa senchira yoko ya chuta.
In the last 1 year alone, EACC has recovered 6.2 billion Kenya shillings of stolen assets.
Obokuruminigo bwabwatanso mwakoyo chi bilioni 5 ne munugo tevere chia kurumwa chekererwe ekombekele kyo korobo kurumi EACC yatebire.
I, Ezekiel Juma Otieno, the returning officer, hereby declare that Obiero Brian Chief Anyango
ODM na UDA koroderyo kya sobo choryobo kebwekergo kyobo Senator se County ya Bungoma.
We are committed to do our part in making sure that Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology and other institutions of higher learning and research are facilitated to fulfill their part in transforming Kenya.
Oikatosire chisemia nase University otebiro murewense William Ruto. Eyemo nenda mange moncho muligero no isaranso kenko manya senchira yobo ikano iritira nenche nkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igoto kuchakirali tukeliga buna botambe stariki kyanda kiro mutenyo 12 kiro mwaka neli tukobona nsemelia yo kurwani yobo kurumye kunyara kulinyara nabwe kuligereria na kyamangana yobo kurumye abereka okolekana na kogikiria chimbo echo imeje county ya Nyamira muriketo jobu mahange ni gatare nsemo yeli chiko na kunyara kubwati na kuligereria ebitango nabo igebirengo biribya bekirwe asokone kibuna mangana yobo kurumi nkoira na rense tunyaroboti uru asenchira yobo ikirano.
Ekero ensengi mayachengera litukoline nelyokurwania obokurumi ababwatani aombaru ebirengera byabo igoro yeli tukeli ntwaire getambuke likoligyo muwakili Charles Nyamwange oyogokolera obukoleri bwaye asomochi Onyamira elinde kumanya sobwagare igoro yesegi yokurwania obokurumi asense ito ya Kenya
esegi ya corruption nesegi ngeya. We want to live in a world free of corruption. So it's a good thing. It's a thing that calls for concerted efforts. It is not a one-man's show.
Ato erera buna sama tukabwango iga nigo ebina byokurwania obokurumi byakeire anene mono asabisi yaye. Kolende nateba abantu abange mbaligoswera abantu bagokora obokurumi asaba saba gwaka oroboti elinde gokeja obukurumi asense ito ya Kenya.
So we also urge our people ekorokorregendo kekere corrupt in nature kero kende gosinobsikete kwagenda monda gosaba chibesa monda tagetoma bribe amanyego korregazi you need to report because binena bera bembiro but they are going unnoticed.
Elinde gokeya obukurumi asense ito ya Kenya nasaba abayibuli gokinia abana sachinchera chindonge.
So even at home omwana atageduna omugorrege sikuti omanyako mutoma. You see, that's how these things start and gradually they are deep rooted. Let them understand that they need to carry out those activities. No anya sai gaga buna ekiora ngego chigoro
narwa ekurenti ndiko cyase bali baraba kurumi buna egesusurege tindi nkero
oyo okwaeguri yake no yokoruri yake once na bako gandi kubasibwe Riaki, for example, in the Mogwar Korea, Quarutumia your certificates, Navajira have notified, Navajira blacklisted. Let us son corrupt the means, Omenye, Obimaboria, or deserve it.
Kurwase County Nyamira, Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Mbiamono homurikito Job Mahangi kurwase County ya Nyamira soroboti rwasenchera yobo ikirano oboyogo tigara ase amangana lengetobo kurumineli tukeli nene nigobone kyombe kiryo kurwani yobo kurumega sense ya Kenya EACC kiororoboti rwabo nagote abuna aso mwaka yomo nigobono chibesa chinyinge cha rokana chigo kurumo wikirabone gani gobate biribona banyarre bakwirana shilingi bilioni 5 ne monu gutebere echibona batebere cyabere chigo kurumye nagote abuna mbagendre kubwate na kumulikira mono amangana yobukurumi aiga sense ya Kenya.
I want to mention that in the last 1 year alone, EACC has recovered 6.2 billion Kenya shillings of stolen assets. Public officials are supposed to account for everything that they own. We call it prove it or lose it. You have to account for what you own or you lose it to the public. And the courts have actually, adopted that position.
People in courts were recovering the resources, but it is a little too much left out there to recover. What we need is a concerted effort in engineering our value system so that we have good people.
But of course, while doing that, everybody knows their areas. They're not collaborating so that every case that goes there results in a conviction if somebody is not guilty.
Na boigo chinga kiche kumbe kyo kia EACC ni gobatebere bunambagendere kumurekera mangana lengeto obukurumi ana sensemo ya serikali ni gobabode nsemo ya serikali kone kinko bale maiso mbabase kubwatira ni wana mangana lengeto obukurumi kolengane kyombe kine gyatebere buna onde bwense ne kurwa sensemo ya serikali rachikwe bwatira ni na mangana lengeto obukurumi na chikwemo kirege tambo kirege tindi kolengana nelichiko.
Employing people with fake documents and irregular employment. Once we investigate and find out that somebody was employed using fake documents or acquired the job irregularly, what we are doing is that apart from filing the criminal suit, we are also filing the civil recovery for the salary that that person, that officer has earned over that particular period of time. That's what we are doing as a punitive measure, so that we avoid a situation whereby somebody is just taken to go to criminal and he goes away with the salary, which he got from the government and he was not qualified for it. As a country, our moral fabric has gone down to levels that we cannot ascertain. And we, as Ethics and Corruption Commission, what I can say is that we have investigated various cases of fake documents, and we liaise keenly with the Qualification Authority of Kenya. We also liaise with Commission of Higher Education and the respective universities that those certificates are purported to have come from.
Nago tigana boigona kobekense muhamangana lengeto bokurumi tumurekerari abaga okorekana boigaseri tukolia lero murai wense William Samoei Ruto nigate birubune serikali ya Kenya kwanza nsi yoborai bwa yene chikoene kibuna ngosira barense mechisemi ane chisemi chekera ngo kegorogose chi university Ruto gaukona kurwa ase university ya Mosende Muliru asa borokyo bari kobekura chigutwa nigate yabunekera ngakane serikali no kumurekera boigo amangana na gukinia ebirengo bichisemi aigasense ya Kenya.
We are looking forward to the universities and other institutions of higher learning being the hub of the development of our human capital, the most precious asset that we have as a nation. And it is my vision that Kenya shall be the country that will provide the most modern, sharpened, and intellectual human capital to serve humanity, starting with our continent. We are committed to do our part in making sure that Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology and other institutions of higher learning and research are facilitated to fulfill their part in transforming Kenya.
Na boigaso moyego yomo prime cabinet secretary Musalia Mudavadi yoboigo bekuru gutori tukuri alera se university ya Masindi muliro ni gobona nyara kagote yabune kerengekene no kubwatirana asanyara ga kubulia serikali mwana bwatandi bandi bechisemi kwane kibunango sira ware chisemi aiga sense ya Kenya.
Let me extend my warm greetings and congratulations to all of you, my fellow graduates, as you set out on the next steps of your journey and as you cross many more milestones that mark your achievements. Proudly recall the values that most gave you and how it empowered you for success. Use it for the betterment of society. I dedicate this honorary degree bestowed on me today to those that have believed in me over the years, and that includes my wife Tessie, and to all those who have been injured in our country in the struggle for peace.
Go tigara boigo asamangana rengete chisemi mwaziri bochisemi Ezekiel Machoguka ukwana Cross University ya Masindi muliro niganyara ko buhori warabe kuro chigutwa kone kibunanko abalekero kerelikia anekero bakore birengo ya masomo abo nigo chinga kiechi macho wabakagote yabuna egangenene na bana konyore semina kubulia bayibuli kone kibuna ngwemu kibalege tambo kero gyoko ba semi abana babo.
Ever since the year 2006, when Masindo Muriro was given a charter, we have had 43,000 graduates from this university, so the 3,800 are joining the alumni, and we are urging them to be good ambassadors out there. Do not forget the values you have learned here, values of honesty, truthfulness, competence, and commitment. That is what will clearly make you stand out in the job market.
Na omukonyi humure wenseri gadi gashawo yora senseri yangola ni gobona iketense mejuri tukurigoro margoba asabona berega kobolia aba Kenya meta sense yuko ene kibuna nkwe bwatara ni bale asoboncheria rigadi ka okona kurwa sense yangola ni gobe ganyaraga kobolia abwata nabona amenyi kurwa sense yo kumugani oboncheria ana sense ya Kenya riga yakwaneta ya maiga yokumerana naba Kenya meta sense yangola nigo chinga kichibo igorikate bakagote uno bwatira nani gukora hororo asikiria tebire serikali ya Kenya kwanza ni gebegetemero bilikone kibuno kubwatira no gotinde nabo kubwatira no kwemenko bakororo gati yense ya Kenya amo ne chinse chinde. Na ekamati boigo ya chorwa kunyara ko unenge aba commission abone bekombekeri kyobo chori nechimbe IBC no nyamaega ya batatu kwe Rusi oroni go ya chaka mirimo yabo beneli tukulia lero kolengana no mo commissioner Eyemo Irene Masiti kurwa asekyombe kyobo chori nechimbe IBC ni go banate birebu na maega ya batatu kwe Rusia ni ganyo rechisimi chikomo gosereria nere tigemerimo kurwa asekyombe kyobo chori nechimbe IBC chinga kechio asekine kikiale gotegerori tukulia lero inse yomoigererio ye Masito Irene Masito moigererio Donald Kibukreren nigate birebuna televiziya ikine kikegenere kubwatekana buna niga ba commissioner batatu berusirie kurwa ase ekinekyo yose kurwa ase emirimo yabo nigo chinga ke Donald nyarakagote abuna ekineke ngabune ekinigo kera ase kagambero nabo igekine kingebwana etikogendera eyemaganye kamatu ya choro gote abuna nereta yali kone kibuna aba commissioner ubonsi bane kunyara bale kunengi wa Eyemo no nyamagiga yogwetigia emirimo.
So in view that now 3 commissioners have resigned, to proceed as it is may prejudice my client because as I said, the documents are joint, the evidence is joined, and it will so basically the proceedings are as they are basically for the 4 commissioners. So we need to have a way out of the 4, to resolve the issue of the joinder.
The commissioners each took the appointment. It was an individual appointment and individual oath that was taken in regard to the Constitution, and it is individual quest for the removal of the commissioner, and therefore we will proceed and inquire into the allegations that were contained in the petition as conveyed to us.
Nago tigana na yubono umrewe kiama gia Ford Kenya Wafula Wakoli nerebono choribu nomo Senator Amayia ase county ya Bungoma nyirabone kerege kiwa Senator se county ya Bungoma nigo gia tigalete busamaga yoyo toreto mo Senator Moses Masika Wetangura gochorobu nomo nagari we bunge ashukura chiabete chiko kolekana buli tukolegoro nigo bono omurwaniriyo yubono kurase kiama kerege Ford Kenya abetega kwa bwaborwaniri ba yabankigima korwa kiama kerege UD na buge kiama kereke ODM Wafula Wakoli ni ganya chikura chiribu emeronge 5 na isano nemo amona meronge 3 ekorokeri umurwaniriyo obonge kegima kurwase kiama kya UDM anya chikura chiribu emeronge na isano chimi ya kenda na isano na ibere ekorokeri umurwanire kurwase kiama kya ODM Wafula wa mnyunye abeto yoga 3 asokonyera chikura chiribu emeronge bere chimi ya isano na 19 chinga kyo chibo igasobo chori bwakolekane tobo ke kurwase constituency ya Gemwe kutoka se county ya Siaya kiama gya ODM boigoni go kiabete kego tachironse maiga yumurwanire Brian Ocheng ojubono odubuna independent candidate tare kuboli keroge kyoko etira kiama kende gyonse abetega kurari bumubui asobo chori bwakolekanete rituko ligoro.
David Wakoli Wafula, he had the most votes to come forward for his certificate.
That for us as young people, we have a cause, we have a fulfillment to give to the people, and I don't equally take it for granted.
I, Ezekiel Juma Otieno, the returning officer, hereby declare that Obiero Brian Chie Anyango of ID number 24890177 has been duly elected.
Now I'm declaring to James Orengo to prepare to work with me and know that I've won fairly this thing, even if him and Nyongo were really funding my opponent.
Mwanchumurigeria sorobo chirubono cross county ya Bungoma bunabone kiama kereke Ford Kenya na kibono kiabe toboboye asokoba tuguterare kiama kereke UD na bwana ODM niko bono rogotiro mutumoko mo kenkere nane nyara gusangana ya mange kole na bokondra gotobwatia wetene semeli mtandao nsemu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bega semeli ya YouTube na bokotera una Ndizi TV News ya sebiro birebike igotogo chikomera na captain number 001 ndemo Steven Kurense Mende studio atomanya mange anekura sensemelia ye chigosoritos konkure nanda sege kege kere postio.
Umurubrio bw'ikigosori nigokoretwa sore na Peak Uniforms and Sports Center abarosia na buigo abonia bechianga ao shokobeka banyore imeyumuchukisi ase nyumba ya Baraka Building angena Shivling Supermarket musoba kiresime ase namba enoti isarunegere ibere noti isato kianda isato isarunemo enoti.
Chinga kichingi yoganete gotengeregeta seni kia Ndizi TV kurwa sawana maita avange waganete ko bwati ya mangana rengite World Cup remense ya Qatar ase ege kombe kuya chagetene chitimu emeronge 3 na ibere kwende gwikira boniga nigo chitimu emeronge 2 na inye chabire chigosoki wisiko ase bono chitimu chatigaire na chitimu isano na isato echugo chakira rero iga chigendete ne chigosori chirichi quarter final koranti mukinye chirabe chikwenda semi final ya kombe kia World Cup imense ya Qatar korende tareka samangana rengete World Cup Qatar yaron kwa gani bena samangana magia ye chigosori buna botambe reterana ndemo Steven Captain 001 Noto chaka mangana magia ye chigosori korwa segeti kia Gusii Stadium abuga se maega yogo tava kwa otarigani chigosori chienko ya se miaka etane tievere olit koriale rogete ku kia Gusii Stadium kiarigania gosori ya National Super League kwa se timu ya Shabana FC yare kwarigania timu ya SS Asad kurwa se county ya Kwale abwa se gosori yo mogosori Peter Ogechi asense mentangania gosori yo anyara kwenye bungera timu ya Shabana egoria Eyemo yanya konya kubwa abwa somorokyo monene bwe timu ya Shabana Sami Okot anyara kogokera obogosori bwa ye Peter Ogechi na andake chigosori koira na segeti kia Gusii Stadium.
Game imekuwa nzuri na feel tumekuwa leo na confidence na wachezaji wamekuwa more relaxed kwa sababu wamerudi kwa home ground yao baada ya muda mrefu. Pia nao support ya crowd ya fans wao pia nao imeongezea motisha, kitu yenye wamelack kwa siku mingi sana. So na feel imekuwa ni plus kurudi hapa. Hiyo win at least tunawadedicatea kwa sababu ni siku mingi wajiona timu yao ikicheza. Peter Ogechi namshukuru kwa sababu at least experience, ni player ana uzoefu, so anajua crosses kama hizo zikija ni wapi wako supposed kukua. So ni ile uzoefu wake ndio kidogo naweza sema ime-add kwa timu.
Asa mareta ngoro ku Dolphin Bwari omo nominated MCA county yetu ya Kisii. Lere tuacha kushangilia murabaito ba Shabana bachesira umupira bya sana, we are all excited bunoro chegetia bante bagogete. Omopira team yetu ya Shabana ni team renkongu na ndio tuba support all the way from the county assembly members wetu ba county assembly wana igenge nteke tanto go itine supplementary abana abanyore budget yabo banyore chibesa bago tumika sama tumizi yabo yawachezo omopira egento kende na bongo wakera omugavana ito Simbarati okorega asiengia otoire stadium bona maegeti abere na botogo chatucheza ne mpira itonka neji fans chance ipitia chirego support team yetu ya Shabana heko. Asante sana.
Inga kio mchengo gendrete ko chiasa wataliwe timu ya Shabana FC inga pata nikorwa se timu ya SS Asad vanyara kwe murunganigoro ya enchere sirimbi yabwe gwase gosoriyo asebona batero namba chikuyarigani Shabana FC kirera ndese county ya Kwale ko gosori na SS Asad bana korwe irauna ndake mbanyare ko ikore timu ya Shabana FC ayunje sebuna captain 00 ngote abuna ndave ginkoganya torandaka se round 2 yechigosori cha NSL na kirabe korende tuende sema ya kabiri studio tuwe mkwane aye Ali Mohamed Ali
kwa jina kamili naitwa Ali Hamisi Marumu. Nashukuru game imekuwa poa, lakini marifari hawakuwa fair kwa sababu mimi wasilalamika kwa marifari hawakuwa fair. Nashukuru pia vijana wangu, mimi nimetravel jana, nimefika hapa saa 5 mchana na nimeliki timu kama hivi Shabana ambao wako nyumbani na crowd, lakini wamepata tu goli ya kupewa, na pia nimeacha vijana 10 first 11 yangu hawakuja, wote wana injury. Kwa hivyo nasema nashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu, nashukuru game imeisha salama. Kijana wangu mmoja ndiye amepata injury, mpeleka hospitali, lakini niko na imani Shabana watakuja nyumbani nitawalipiza.
Kwa mechi yao labda kuna nani na mtakipata?
Nyumbani tuko na game, tulikuwa tuwe na Gusii, sasa wametolewa kwa ligi, sijui tutakuwa na nani. Tulikuwa tuwe na Gusii kwa nyumbani. Kimimi yani wangeongeza hizo timu watu wakacheza ligi ikakuwa strong, kwa sababu ukiacha timu 13 itakuwa isaidii kitu. At least hiyo 20 au 19 itakuwa ni competition nzuri. Mtu atakuwa anang'ang'ana anajua ni vipi anafanya.
Wikira boni kanyike timu ya Shabana FC ya gosiri chigosori vere ya National Super League ase chigosori chonsi ya virege kubwa na ase chigosori chonsi piniko ya bwira ase egolia ya masirige na resagero na ase egolia yu Eyemo niko chonsi chabungiro no mogosori Peter Ogechi maestro kona kiwantora ndaka ase gosori ya gatatu Peter Ogechi